Hello, in this video I want to show you how to install custom LED lamp notifications for your Samsung Galaxy Z Flip4 5G. So in order to do this, let's open up our Google Play Store. Here we want to find app called NotifyBuddy. Select it and download it. After installation process is complete, you should be able to open it. From here, grant 3 permissions to the app. First one is font permission, next is overlay permission. Here we want to find NotifyBuddy and allow access. Next is notification permission and do the same thing. Last is battery optimization and it's optional. You don't need to disable it unless the app doesn't work properly. Now let's move on to the next step. Click on accept. From here we can start using this app and you can see 4 tabs down here. First one is user, and in this tab you can pick any apps to allow custom LED lamp notifications for. So right here let's get, for example, photos. In active in system you can find all apps that you've just that are bound to your system. In active you can find all apps that you've just activated, and in the settings you can change anything about your LED lamp, like its size, shape, placement on the screen, color, but some of the options are locked behind the premium version of this app. Now let's click on the test, and right here you can find this LED lamp. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.